Hello kids, how are you today? Let's learning some color, brown color, green color, red color, orange color, purple color, black color, blue color, yellow color, and pink color. Okay guys, let's learning number 1, green color, 1 green color, and 2 purple color, 2 purple color, and 3 brown color, 3 brown color, and 4 blue color, 4 blue color, and 5 yellow color, and 6 purple color, and 7 green color, and 8 brown color, and 9 blue color, 9 blue color, and 11 and 10 yellow color, 10 yellow color, and 11 purple color, and 12 brown color, 12 brown color, (13) blue color, 13 blue color, (14) yellow color, 14 yellow color, and 15 green color, 15 green color. Okay guys, let's learning again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, don't forget learning anytime. Bye bye.